First, environmental factors that shape development include all of the following except quality of education, physique, quality of nutrition, culture. Right answer is physique. Next, Seema learns every lesson very quickly, but Leena takes longer to learn them. It denotes the development principle of continuity, general to specific, individual differences, interrelationship. The right answer is individual differences. Development starts from the stage of infancy, pre-childhood stage, post-childhood stage, prenatal stage. The right answer is prenatal stage. Next, which of the following is predominantly a heredity related factor? Attitude towards peer group, thinking pattern, color of the eyes, participation in social activities. Right answer is color of the eyes. Next, teachers are advised to involve their learners in group activities because besides facilitating learning, they also help in value conflicts, aggression, anxiety, socialization. The right answer is socialization. Next, a student is aggressive in his behavior towards his peer group and does not conform to the norms of the school. This student needs help in cognitive domain, psychomotor domain, affective domain, high order thinking skills. The right answer is affective domain. Next, the stage of cognitive development according to Piaget in which a child displays object permanence is. The right answer is sensory motor stage. Next, according to Kohlberg, the thinking process involved in judgment about questions of right and wrong is called. The right answer is moral dilemma. Next, a good textbook avoids gender bias, gender sensitivity, gender equality, social responsibility. The right answer is gender bias. Next, gifted students will realize their potential when they are segregated from other students, they attend private coaching classes, they are tested frequently, they learn with other students. The right answer is they learn with other students. Next, inclusive education refers to a school education system that includes children with disability, includes children regardless of physical, intellectual, social, linguistic or other differently abled conditions, encourages education of children with special needs through inclusive educations, exclusive schools, emphasizes the need to promote the education of the girl child only. The right answer is second. Next, the dyslexia is associated mainly with difficulties in speaking and hearing or reading. The right answer is reading. Next, the major frustration that children with hearing loss face in the classroom is the inability to read the prescribed textbook, the inability to participate in sports and games, the inability to communicate or share information with others, the inability to take examination with other students. Right answer is 3. Next, the doing aspect of behavior falls in the cognitive domain of learning, affective domain of learning, cognitive domain of learning, psychological domain of learning. Right answer is cognitive domain of learning. Third. Next, a student works hard to clear an entrance test for admission into a medical college. The student is said to be motivated intrinsically, extrinsically, individually, experientially. The right answer is intrinsically. Next, a teacher engages her learners in a number of group activities such as group discussions, group projects, role plays, etc. The learning dimensions is highlight is. Right answer is third, learning as social activity. Next, creativity is usually associated with convergent thinking, divergent thinking, modeling, imitation. The right answer is divergent thinking. Next, a teacher always helps her learners link the knowledge they have derived in one subject area with the knowledge from other subject areas. This helps to promote individual differences, learner autonomy, reinforcement, correlation and transfer of knowledge. Right answer is 4. Next, teachers should study the errors of their student as they often indicate the extent of their knowledge, remedial strategies needed, pathways of ability grouping, need for differentiated curriculum. Right answer is second. Next, when previous learning makes no difference at all to the learning in a new situation, it is called positive transfer of learning, negative transfer of learning, zero transfer of learning, absolute transfer of learning. The right answer is zero transfer of learning. Next, according to Piaget cognitive theory of learning, the process which of the cognitive structure is modified is called, right answer is accommodation. Next, according to theories of motivation, a teacher can enhance learning by not having any expectations from students, setting extremely high expectations from the students, setting realistic expectations from students, setting uniform standards of expectations. Right answer is second. Next, a teacher uses audio-visual aids and physical activities in her teaching because they provide a diversion to learners, utilize maximum number of senses to enhance learning, provide relief to the teachers, facilitate effective assessment. Right answer is 2. Next, when teacher involves a visually challenged learner in group activity with the other learner of the class, she is helping all the learners to develop sympathy towards the visually challenged learner, likely to increase the stress on the visually challenged learner, creating barriers to learning for the class, acting according to the spirit of inclusive education. The right answer is third, creating barriers to the learning for the class.